Hi, so this is Mr. Kong, and I want to go over the syllabus. This is the syllabus for Virtual Academy Chemistry. And this will be the same for whether it's regular or honors chemistry. The syllabus will apply, specifically about grading. So what I going to go through again is the syllabus for Virtual Academy Chemistry. So welcome to this class. I'm not going to read to you all those details because, I will, or I have already posted this syllabus online so you can read through details. I'm just right now just pointing out the grading, okay? Or, important things like grading to you. Like what is homework, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty obvious. But here's how grading is going to be for the Virtual Academy Chemistry, and this again applies for both regular and honors chemistry for Virtual Academy. It's going to be 10% of your grade will be the final exam. I put culminating project just in case, but there's a final exam. I forget the date. I want to say it's like December 13th-ish. But the final exam is 10% of the semester grade. 30% of your grade is the homework, 20% labs and projects, 40% is going to be exams. There are 4 unit exams and 1 midterm exam. I will go through the pacing guide in a separate video, but in the pacing guide, you'll see there are 4 unit exams and 1 midterm exam. So in a way, you could say it's 5. The midterm exam, it's pretty much after the second, or after you can say it's unit 2 if you want, but it does cover everything from the very beginning of the semester. So it's called the midterm exam. I didn't make this up. It's the Syllabus program that made up that term. But there's 5 tests. You can say 1 final, and that's the 5 tests are 40% of your grade. The 1 final exam is 10% of your grade. What is everything else? Homework, 30%, labs and projects, 20%. Labs are a requirement. I'm going to start with that. You must do labs for this lab course. And I will come up with the dates of when the labs are, but these labs, they are required, and I believe you can ask Miss Tennis Snow later, but I believe you can miss 1. Okay, you can miss 1 for the semester. If you miss 2, and this is not my rules, if you miss 2, you will get an automatic fail in this course. And again, so you can miss 1. There will be a makeup lab at some points on the way. If you miss 2, you can do a makeup. So in a way, you only missed 1. But you can miss 1 in the semester. So that is about the labs. Well, I'll have the dates when we meet with each other. I'll come up with the dates then, and I'll show you the dates of when all the different labs are. Exams, they must be done in class, and so it is on your computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your device, laptop, whatever. Okay, so you bring your laptop or whatever, and it is, it's online, but you have to come to class. I open up the test for you and basically watch you take the test, meaning you put away all your papers, notes, all that kind of stuff, and you take the exam in class. Obviously, the same with the final exam. So the test, the exams, midterm exam, whatever, final exam, that has to be done in class. You can't do it at home. It won't actually let you. Labs are, well, you have to do them. You can miss 1 in a semester. If there's some sort of special circumstances, we can talk about that later, like, but like medical, whatever. But I'm just talking about in general, you can only miss 1. Again, that is not my rule. That is forgive, it's a state mandate or whatever. I didn't make that up, okay? But you can only miss 1 is the point. Okay, so point is, here's the grading. Tests, final exam, you have to do that in class. Labs, you have to do them. You can miss 1 total. Everything else on the Syllabus program is considered homework. So homework, everything, well, right here, everything that is done on the Syllabus, okay, whatever the program's called. I thought it was called Syllabus. The Syllabus program that isn't that is not a test will be counted in the homework section. So everything you do online, with the exception of the tests themselves, it'll be counted in the homework grade. This includes some of the stuff that's labeled as a quiz. If it's labeled as a quiz but not a test, that will just be counted in the homework grade. Everything in each module will be averaged once each module is completed, and a score will be put onto Schoology. So all the stuff that's graded is on the Syllabus program or Accelerate program. I already forgot. And so it's on the online program. I have to manually move it into Schoology, which of course goes into the grade book. So I'm just going to put the average of them all at the end. So if you do, 5 more assignments, of course it's going to change it. But before grading periods are turned in, I will move it into Schoology. So after each section is done, then I will move into Schoology. And so that's how grading will be done. Okay, so that's the syllabus, again, for regular and honors chemistry on Virtual Academy.